All right, number 5 of the 9 fragrance haul. I gotta say, my apartment is going to smell like Macy's. Which is probably a good thing. I like Macy's. All right, let's open this one. You know, it's funny. I wanted to get as many clones and Lattafas as possible to let you know whether they're worth it or not. I did not look up what they are clones of or fragrances inspired by or any details on any of them. I just went to Joma Shop and bought them because they were $15 a bottle. I got 10 for $210, so it was a nice deal. All right, here's this one. How the fudge do we open it? Oh, there we go. Top pops open. I'm so used to all the fancy ones. This one's not as fancy. Slide out. I can already smell it in here. I mean, yum. Let's hope it doesn't smell like that. That does not smell very good. All right, I'm not putting the top back on. Here's the bottle in all its glory. Gotta say, I like it. The cap seems a little dwarfed, right? Like they should have extended it or made it a little bit bigger. Just seems like a tiny little, last thought, almost like a tick. Like the big body and the tiny little head. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't say tick. I don't think people will think that's really appealing for a fragrance. The cap is super heavy though. My gosh, how is that so heavy? Makes no sense. Twist it over. There we go. Spritz, spritz. This is Ejaazi. Wow, this is fresh. This is very fresh. This smells, it was not the same, but back in the day, geez, probably 2004, Adidas had this cologne that was incredible. Yes, I was a teenager, so maybe it wasn't as good as I remember it. I just remember being so good. This smells kind of like that. This is an amazing gem, freshy, dumb reach. This is, hey, I'm running outside and it's hot and humid and I want to mask up that I'm sweating. This would be it. Could have used this last week. My gosh, this is good. I can't wait to see how this performs because right now it's super strong, but again, it's a freshie and you never know. Freshies could blow you away or most of the time just disappear into the ether and you never see them ever again. Ooh, that's so good. All right, this is Nubs Fragrances. Follow and subscribe for more. Talk to you soon.